In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide FaceTime on your Apple device. Understanding how to manage the visibility of apps like FaceTime can come in handy for various reasons, whether you're trying to reduce distractions, manage screen time effectively, or simply organize your home screen and app library in a way that suits you best. So let's dive right in. First, we'll focus on how to hide FaceTime. This can be temporary or more long-term depending on your needs. Start by navigating to the settings on your device. Once you are in settings, look for the option labeled Screen Time. The Screen Time feature is designed to give you insights into your device usage and help you set limits or restrictions if necessary. It's a handy tool for anyone trying to balance productivity and leisure. Now that you're in the Screen Time menu, you'll want to tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This section is pivotal in managing how content is displayed on your device. When you're here, you'll see several options to optimize the way you use and view apps. Next, select the option labeled Allowed Apps. This is the area where you can manage which apps are visible on your device, whether you want to minimize potential distractions or control app access temporarily. This option gives you the flexibility to make those changes easily. Once you're in the Allowed Apps section, simply turn off FaceTime. By doing so, FaceTime will be hidden from both the home screen and the app library. It's a seamless way to ensure that the app is out of sight when you don't need it, helping you maintain focus or declutter your device. Turning it off does not uninstall the app, it merely makes it invisible, so there's no need to worry about data loss or having to reinstall it later. But what if you want to access FaceTime again? Maybe the moment calls for a video chat, or you've decided to restore your original app layout. No problem, this process is just as simple. To show FaceTime again, you'll need to revisit the Allowed Apps section within the Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once there, toggle FaceTime back on. This action will make FaceTime reappear on your home screen and app library, ready for use whenever you need it. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage the appearance of FaceTime on your device. By understanding these steps, you now have the power to customize your device's interface with ease, ensuring that it perfectly aligns with your preferences and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more useful tips and guides on making the most of your tech.